In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete multiple cards all at once in Trello. Whether you're tidying up your boards or simply want to manage your tasks more efficiently, knowing how to batch delete your cards can save you a lot of time and effort. So, let's get started on this simple yet effective process. First things first, let's create a new list. The name of this list doesn't really matter, so feel free to call it something like to delete or simply remove, because we'll be getting rid of it soon and anyway. Now, the purpose of this list is to temporarily house all the cards you wish to delete. So, go ahead and transfer all those cards over to this newly created list. It's a handy little trick to consolidate everything you want to remove in one place, ensuring a smoother deletion process. Once you've moved all your cards to this list, you'll notice a three dots icon located at the top right corner of the list. Click on it. This icon is your gateway to more options regarding the list you've selected. Among these options, you'll find one that says, Archive this list. Select this option. Archiving the list effectively removes all the cards in it from your board, consolidating them in the Archive section of Trello. This is a good first step, but remember, they aren't permanently gone just yet. They're only removed from your immediate view. To ensure these cards are deleted completely from Trello, you'll need to take an additional step. Look again towards the top right corner of your board. There, you'll find another three dots icon. Clicking this will open up a menu where you should select Archived Items. This takes you to a section where you can manage what you've archived. Since our focus is on deleting a list, you'll need to switch from cards to lists. There is an option here that says Switch to Lists. Click on that. Now, you should see the list you recently archived. By clicking on it, you'll get an option to delete it completely. Go ahead and click Delete, finalizing the removal of both the list and all its cards for good. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully deleted multiple cards all at once in Trello. It's a straightforward method that can really help in keeping your Trello boards neat and tidy. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful for you in managing your digital workspace. If you found this tutorial useful, feel free to check out our other videos for more tips and tricks on using Trello and enhancing your productivity.